How to remove spam followers on Instagram. If you have spam followers, then you can easily remove it. First of all, open your Instagram account, then simply head over to your profile section. Now you can easily identify if your account has a spam follower or not by simply going to your follower section. Simply tap on followers and look for any potential spam. And you may find flagged accounts over here. Simply go to flagged accounts. Instagram will auto-detect spams and they will be listed over here, and you can easily tap on remove all from here and all of you will be removed. What you can always do is do a quick visual scan of profiles if you are manually deleting to avoid accidentally removing active followers. Like if any followers has a strange username and their follower is very low and they have other sites link that are harmful, and that is the clear sign that they are a spam account. In this way you can clearly identify it, or you can simply go to the flagged accounts, or if you want to do a manual, go to followers and scroll it down to your followers and simply remove each by simply unfollowing and tapping on their profile. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.